In this video, I want to talk about conversions associated with capacity or volume. So I've copied and pasted some images from Google. This picture seems to be, this is a 1 teaspoon, TSP, and this is half a teaspoon. This seems to be half a teaspoon. Now, teaspoon is used in cooking, but the standard unit of capacity of volume is liters. Okay, so yeah, or milliliters. So this is something that's useful. You should know 1 teaspoon is not exactly, but about 5 milliliters. This is 5 milliliters. 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. So half a teaspoon would be how much? Half a teaspoon, TSP stands for teaspoon, is 2.5 milliliters. So I'll come to milliliters later. So this is 1 tablespoon. This is 1 tablespoon. I don't know the short form of tablespoon. Maybe it is TS. Okay, I don't know. 1 tablespoon is about 15 milliliters. 1 tablespoon is about 15 milliliters. Now this is a jug. Okay, this is a jug. So in which unit would you measure a jug? Well, the unit that you would measure would be in liters. L for liters. So this may be about how much? This may be about, say, 5 liters. Okay, I don't know, 5 or 15. So let me make it 15. So this is again a paint container. This is also measured in liter, and the letter that we use for liter is L, and this may be about, say, 10 liters, not milliliters, 10 liters. I'll talk about the conversion later on. This is a ice cream container. So this is also measured in liters. Okay, so this may be about, say 5 liters. I don't know, 5 liters. Now this is a petrol tank. This is a petrol tank, and the unit of, you measure a petrol tank in kiloliters. Kiloliters, and kiloliters you write by KL. Okay, so let me give you the conversion, the basic conversion. So this is something you should remember. 1 liter is the basic unit. So 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. 1000 milliliters. 1 liter contains 1000 milliliters. Okay, and 1 kiloliter is 1000 liters. So this is all that you need to remember, from milliliters to liters to kiloliters. So it'll be good always to draw a conversion circle, a conversion chart. So this is, say, from liters to milliliters. So let me draw the whole thing together. Okay, so let me do in 2 separate circles, so that will not confuse you. Suppose you want to convert from liters to milliliters, or milliliters to liters. So from liters to milliliters, the unit is smaller, but the number is going to get bigger. So you have to times it by 1000. Can you see? This is 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So though 1000 is how many times of 1? Well, that's 1000 times. So that's why you times it by 1000. And if you want to go backwards from 1000 to 1, what would you do to 1000 to get to 1? Well, you have to divide by 1000. So you have to divide by 1000. So this is how I remember, from liters to milliliters. The number is going to get bigger, so you have to times it by 1000. And from milliliters to liter, the number is going to get smaller, so you have to divide by 1000. Okay, so now from kiloliters to liters. From kiloliters to liters, what's going to happen? Is the number going to get bigger or smaller? Yes, it's going to get bigger. By how many times? 1,000 times. So you have to times it by 1,000. And from liters to kiloliters, it's going to get 1,000 times smaller. So you divide by 1,000. So if you remember this much, and for every question, if you have this in your mind, you don't need to ask whether you have to multiply or divide. So let's do some questions. 6.9 liters. Okay, so from liters, you want to change into milliliters. So you have to multiply. So it's 6.9 times 1,000. So I'll get my calculator out. Okay, so let me move my calculator. So 6.9 times 1,000, which is 6,900 milliliters. 6,900 milliliters. Now from kiloliters, you want to change into liters. What's going to happen? Is the number going to get bigger or smaller? From kiloliters to liters, it's going to get bigger. So the same process, it is 7.2 times 1,000. Use your calculator. So let me show you a different small calculator. So this is 7.2 times 1,000 is 7,200 liters. 7,200 liters. Okay, question number 3, from milliliters to liters. So what is from milliliters you want to change into liters? What would you do? The number is going to get smaller by 1,000 times smaller. So you divide by 1,000. So this is 350 divided by 1,000. So let's get the calculator. Where is cancel? I can't see the cancel. Okay, yes. So 350 divided by 1,000, which is 0.35 0.35 liters. Again, from milliliters to liters, what would you do? You divide by 1,000. So you can use a calculator. The answer would be 0.425 liters. From liters to kiloliters, you want to change from liters to kiloliters. So let's go back to the chart. From liters to kiloliters. So what are you going to do? You're dividing by 1,000. So if you divide this by 1,000, you can use a calculator. So it will be 7.435 kiloliters. Now from kiloliters to liters, is the number, so let's do without looking at the chart. Is the number going to get bigger or smaller? Well, it's going to get bigger. So you have to times it by, you have to times this by 1,000. So this will be 3,950 liters. Okay, one more question. From liters to milliliters, is the number going to get bigger or smaller? Well, it's going to get bigger. From liters to milliliters, times it by 1,000. So it's 1,270 milliliters. Okay, so you can make up your own problems and do the remaining problems yourself.